Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English and Literature. Do you want to speak English in daily life easily and confidently? In this video, you will learn simple and useful English conversations that you can use every day. These sentences are very easy. Listen carefully. Repeat after each sentence. Try to use them in your daily routine. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's start. Part 1, Morning Routine Conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am good. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. No, I did not sleep well. What are you doing? I am getting ready. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. Part 2, At Home Conversation. Where are you? I am in my room. What are you doing? I am watching TV. I am reading a book. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. No, I am busy right now. Have you eaten? Yes, I have eaten. No, not yet. Part 3, Going Outside. Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to school. When will you come back? I will come back soon. I will come back in 1 hour. Wait for me. Okay, I will wait. Let's go together. Okay, let's go. Part 4, At the market. How much is this? This is 500 rupees. Can you reduce the price? Yes, I can give discount. No, this is final price. I want this. Please give me this. Do you have something else? Yes, I have more options. Part 5, Talking to Friends. Hello, how are you? I am fine. What about you? What are you doing these days? I am studying. I am working. Let's meet today. Okay, what time? Let's meet at 5 p.m. See you soon. Take care. Part 6, Asking for Help. Can you help me? Yes, sure. I need your help. What happened? Can you explain this? Yes, I will explain. I do not understand. Please explain again. Part 7, Daily Small Talks. What is your plan today? I will study today. I will rest today. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. No, I am free. What do you like? I like tea. I like coffee. Practice section. Now listen and repeat. I am learning English. I speak English daily. I want to improve my English. I am practicing every day. I am getting better. Very good. Now you have learned simple English conversations for daily life. Practice these sentences every day. Speak them loudly. Use them in real life. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Subscribe to Learn English and Literature for more easy lessons. Keep learning. Keep practicing. See you in the next class.